Should I sit on you for a change? Yeah? I'm not sure this is going to work. Big old baby. Right, that's the rusty section done and out of the way. We can crack on with the rest of the video. So, a couple of weeks ago, I posted a video talking about my Sony A7 III shutter slightly going up shit creek. Actually, the video was more of a kind of public service announcement about the fact that I'd forgot to activate my extended warranty and for you guys to not do the same thing. So this is a bit of an update video to that because I've got the camera back and it's fixed. So I wanted to kind of give you my experiences regarding using Sony's support service. Where I left you guys with this last time was shutter had broke. I realised that I hadn't registered the extended 3-year warranty, but I couldn't find the 3-year warranty card because I thought it was in the storage unit where all of our stuff is at the minute waiting to move into the new house. A couple of days after I'd published that video, I managed to get down to the storage unit. Thankfully, was able to find it very, very quickly. It was one of the first boxes I looked in. I then contacted Sony to kind of let them know that I had found the warranty card and see if there was anything that they could do. And credit to them, they got it sorted within a couple of minutes. They wanted a photo of the camera's serial number and a proof of purchase to go with it to prove that I owned the camera that was registered on the account and obviously that I'd bought it. And within a few minutes I had an email with a PDF confirming the warranty had been applied from the date that I bought it, so I've still got like another 12 months of it valid. All he then wanted was me to box the camera up along with a letter inside containing my contact details, return shipping, and a quick sentence or two regarding what the issue was with the camera. Post it off with proof of postage. It went to their repair centre near Cardiff down in South Wales. Admittedly, it did throw a slight spanner in the works because I was told that I would receive an update once the package arrived, and like 3 or 4 days later I hadn't heard anything. There's a tracker on Sony's website, so you can either give them a job reference number, or if you don't have a reference number, you can give them your camera model and serial number. Except when I tried doing that, they said they had no record of the camera anywhere in the system. So I was kind of worried, thinking, what if Royal Mail have lost my camera? You know, kind of what happens then? I tried calling the factory to see if I could get an update, but they just said because they're under COVID-19 restrictions, they're running a much reduced staff and there's no one there to answer the phone. So I ended up having to email them. Thankfully, a day or two later, I got a confirmation email saying they had got the camera, they gave me the job reference number, and to be fair, less than a week later, it was last night, about 5 or 6 o'clock, I got a text message off them updating me to say everything was completed and the camera was shipped back. They gave me the tracking number and it got dropped back off with me first thing this morning. And to be fair, not only have they fixed the shutter unit, which was the problem I sent it back in for, it looks like they've given it a bit of a mini service as well, because the sensor's been cleaned, the camera body looks a lot cleaner than what I sent it back, and I'm pretty sure that that is a new shoe mount because I could have sworn when I sent it there was a load of scuffed paint on there. So I'm not arguing with that. I am slightly saddened though because when I shipped this back I didn't include the battery. I kept that here and I was kind of hoping that someone would be a little bit forgetful and leave an extra battery in there, but it wasn't the case. So sure, the shutter on this camera might have the durability of a Victoria sponge, but in terms of the service from Sony, I honestly can't fault them, at least on this experience. There was no debates or arguments regarding, you know, oh, you've not activated your extended warranty or anything. They just said, yeah, not a problem. As long as you can prove that the camera's yours, we'll take care of it. Shipped it off to them. Okay, to be fair, they didn't update the system straight away and gave me that little bit of a heart attack. But to be fair to them, they're running a reduced staff. You know, these things are going to happen. But even with the reduced staff, they managed to get this more than what I was expecting. I just wanted it fixed as far as I was concerned. The clean and everything is just an added bonus. Back to me in less than 2 weeks and I've still got 12 months of warranty to go as well. But I just wanted to share this experience with you guys, more because I have heard a lot of people say that the service from Sony support isn't particularly good. Now, obviously, I'm not suggesting that everyone's going to have a perfect experience with Sony. There will no doubt be some occasions where that's not the case. But then, to be fair, that's no different than Canon, arguably, because everyone raves that their service is absolutely fantastic. And the one time that I've sent my camera off to one of their authorized repair centers, and they had it for 5 weeks trying to work out what the hell was wrong with it. So no company's customer service is going to be absolutely perfect every single time, but in this particular instance, I think Sony's was. So I just wanted to update you guys to let you know the camera is back, all sorted, warranty covered, jobs are good, and also in case you're someone who has heard the horror stories of people saying that Sony's customer service is dreadful, at least in my experience, that is not the case. But that's it for this video, guys. As always, if you have any questions or queries, the comment box is down below. While you're down there, if you haven't already, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for stopping by, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.